Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about how to promote your Amazon product on TikTok. In my opinion, this is the best way to promote your product, especially if you have a low budget, because if your product goes viral organically, then you are set and you are good to go and you're gonna get a lot of sales, you're gonna rank fast, and it didn't cost you anything, just time. So obviously to start promoting on TikTok, you need to have content to post. So I recommend filming for 1 hour a week in daylight, and filming in daylight is really important because no matter what, unless you are a lighting expert, you're never going to be able to get that really good crisp lighting, that good really high quality that shows your product in the most true form that it is, unless you are filming in daylight. Even right now I'm filming my video in daylight, so this is something that's really easy to do, and to just take 1 hour out of your week to film several clips that are 6 to 7 seconds long. These can be clips of various different scenes, for example, you unboxing your product, you using your product, just maybe holding it, moving it around, and you're later going to repurpose those clips into many different videos to post on TikTok. Now, let's say you film those videos. How do you know what to do with them or what type of videos to do with them? So you're gonna go on TikTok and all you need to do is search for the Amazon Finds hashtag, or it's not even a hashtag on TikTok. You could just literally search as if it's Google. So you could just search for Amazon Finds, Amazon Favorites. If you're in a specific niche, for example, the baby products niche, then you can search for Amazon Baby Favorites or Amazon Baby Finds, and you're going to get a bunch of results. You can sort these results based on like count, which is great because that gives you the most popular at the top, and then you can also filter for the past 3 months so that you're getting the most recent videos. And this will give you ideas for how to do your own editing and how to do the first few seconds of that clip. So the most important thing about a TikTok is literally the first 2 to 3 seconds. That's really what matters, and that's what's going to differentiate you from a video that goes viral or a video that doesn't go viral. So the great thing about TikTok is that you can literally just replicate a video that somebody else has done, replicate the first 2 or 3 seconds, and you can get the same results. So you don't have to reinvent the wheel here. There are so many creators that are creating Amazon Finds videos. All you need to do is just take inspiration from them. So what I like to do is every week I scroll on TikTok and I save around 6 to 7, maybe even 10 videos that I would like to replicate, and I replicate those videos using my own clips that I have filmed, just doing the same exact text, the same exact voice to speech if I have to do that. It really depends on the video itself. Same exact music that they used. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. Like I said, you're literally just copying the same exact video, but you're doing it on your own product. Now, if you think this is really time consuming, it could be. To be honest, this is the most time consuming part of running an Amazon business, and you can completely cut this out if you have a huge budget. I'm talking like $20,000 to $30,000 to start your Amazon business, but most of us don't that are starting out, and I don't recommend that you spend that much right away, especially if it's your first time launching an Amazon business. So I recommend that you take around 2 to 3 hours in your week to just sit down and edit those 7 to 10 videos, and just do it straight in a row. Use those clips that you have filmed and edit the 7 to 10 videos. You are able to get it done in 2 to 3 hours because using CapCut, which is an app on your phone, it's actually really simple and really easy to do the same exact editing, and that way you can just either pre-schedule them out or you just have them ready to go to post every day. Now, obviously, if you have more time to dedicate to your Amazon business, I would recommend dedicating that time to filming even more videos and to editing even more videos. So keep in mind, the more videos you post, the higher chance you have of one of them going viral, and the faster you will know what works and what doesn't. Now, a hack that I have to get your page up and running and to drive traffic to your page and to drive views and followers is to repost Amazon Finds videos that are within your niche on that page. Now, what's great about selling an Amazon product is that your page doesn't only have to be about your product. It can be about other Amazon Finds as well. So, and it's totally fine to take a video that did really well on TikTok and repost it, and make sure you're just giving credit to the creator and you're tagging them, and that way it's going to help them as well because they get even more exposure to their page, and you get followers as well to your page and you get traffic. So there there are many pages that only do this. They just repost Amazon Finds videos. You could do a bit of both, and you're still going to be getting followers that are your target audience, that are, you know, if you're targeting moms, then make sure you're posting Amazon Finds that have to do with moms, so that when you do get that traffic, they are still within that target audience, and your followers are possibly going to be interested in the videos that you post next about your product. Now, another tip that I have is to use all of the TikTok features, not just posting the videos itself, meaning you should also be posting stories, you should be posting photos. So using all of the features that TikTok has to offer, because that way they're more bound to push your page and to push, let's say for example, collage that you posted or the stories that you posted. I found that actually posting stories gets me quite a bit of views. It's almost the same thing as posting a video, if not more. So that's something that was really interesting. So I continued to post stories. So yeah, just using all of the new features that are coming out, any new effects that are coming out. That way TikTok might push your page more because you are using their new features that they want to promote. And of course, you just repeat the process week after week, and I want you to be super patient with this because it does take time. It takes time to know what's working and what doesn't work when it comes to your content, and don't get discouraged if you don't get views at the beginning. You just need to take a look at your piece of content and say, okay, how can I improve this? You can even just change the text or change the color of the text and post it again and see how it does the second time. So do not get discouraged, just keep doing it over and over again. And I recommend doing this for 90 days straight before you get discouraged or make a judgment. And you can sign up for a website called Repurpose. So Repurpose is great because whatever you are posting on TikTok, you can automatically repost those same videos on your Instagram, on Pinterest, on YouTube, and why not just have those videos go out on all the other platforms? You never know, you might get more eyes on your videos on YouTube, for example, than you did on TikTok. So Repurpose is super easy. All you need to do is just connect all of those accounts, and every time you post a TikTok, it's going to repost it to the accounts that you have connected. So I have set up on my Repurpose account Pinterest and Instagram, and you can also set up YouTube Shorts. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you found this helpful, and I will see you next week. Bye!